What is up, guys? Evergreen Fly Guy coming to you from the basement. We're gonna do a different type of video today about my Renzetti vise. I'm gonna do a new review on it. I think I'm at 9 months with this thing. I was gonna do a 6-month review, but honestly, I've just been busy with a lot of other stuff, and it fell to the backside. But I'm noticing that the Renzetti unboxing is getting a steady amount of views, and you guys are checking it out and watching it. So I thought I would do an update and tell you how it looks, how it's functioning, and how much I like it after 8 months or so in. So yeah, but before we get into that, I got some got the end of the season sale for ducks. Hopped on that and got some new stuff. I got a call. That was not very good. So yeah, I'm excited about that. Get to use this next season. But yeah, let's head on over to that vise. So there she is in all her beauty. The Renzetti Traveler. It is like the basic Renzetti model. I don't think you can get more basic than this unless you got a clamp instead of the pedestal base. I'm not sure about the price point. I've totally forgot. I think she sets around 150-ish. I might be kind of high. I bought this after my other vise, which I think is over here. No, it's in the floor. Right there with some other fly tying materials. It was a clamp vise, and you can see from my mutilated table in a few spots, it didn't work great, but I think I tied on it for 4 months before it basically fell apart. And I did some research online and decided I wanted the Renzetti. I went to my fly shop, and then I acted like I had no clue what I was talking about. That way they could try to sell me on it too, you know? And the guy was just like, yeah, if you're tying heavy and you're tying, you know, a couple times a week, this is what you want. And I was like, well, I tie every day. And he was like, well, definitely want something like this. And I'm glad I did. So wear and tear on it. I mean, everything functions perfectly still. I mean, you know, the handle is marked up because I'm turning it a lot. Up here's got some wear and color to it. So does this on the metal. And this sits in my cold garage. There's no temperature control or anything in here. So this is kind of exposed to the cold and the heat. You know, I've had it through summer and into winter, and we're approaching spring in a few months. But everything still works great. I actually don't use the cradle as much as I thought I would, but that's probably more of a personal preference. The vise teeth clamps, whatever you want to call them, those are freaking great, man. Like I said, one of the issues on my last vise, and if you watch my old fly tying videos on YouTube, you'll know that my last vise, if for smaller stuff, I had to put pieces of paper in there to keep it like cramped good, and I've never had any issues out of this. You do tend to build up a lot of dust right here where you're cutting materials and stuff, so if you just take a little Q-tip to it every now and then, you're good. I mean, not that it's really going to get in your way that much. Yeah, it handles just about any size hook you have. I have these super small scud nip hooks down there that I've been working with lately. Also, you guys have seen me tie massive salmon flies and stuff in here, like, you know, salmon jigs up there. Big streamers, zero problems with. And you know, it's a cool thing about Renzetti is a lot of these parts are interchangeable and stuff. And you can go on their website and you can order like the bent back teeth for it for like game changers and other articulated flies like that. You can also buy extensions if you're doing long musky or saltwater pattern style stuff and get this extended. The same thing for the handle. Tons of options for if you don't like this base option that you could move up to with, you know, like 50-60 bucks to change stuff out like that, and you don't have to buy a whole new vise. But they do have also, you know, Renzetti has tons of other models, not just this one, but I absolutely love this thing, and I don't think I'll be moving up anytime soon really, unless I wear this thing out. And then honestly, I'll probably opt to get different parts versus rather going up to a new model, just because I just don't see the point in it. Even though I tie daily, this is still just an outstanding vise, and I really enjoy it. But well, that was that, guys. That was the Traveler. I think it's called the Traveler 2000. I probably have the box around here somewhere, but it's all good. absolutely love this vise. Like I said, I don't plan on moving up anytime soon unless I'm getting like extended parts or something for it, because I just don't need anything else. This is like, if you tie daily like I do, this is what you want. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. It was short, it was sweet, it was to the point, and it gave you an idea of what you're looking like if you buy this vise and you get 8-9 months down the road on it and you're a daily tire like me. Because if you don't tie daily, yours is definitely not going to be looking like mine. It's going to be much better shape. And you know, it's only like, I would say like cosmetic blemishes. There's nothing faulty about its mechanisms or anything, so that's really good. But yeah, if you liked it, please drop me a like. If you really liked it, you can subscribe. I'd really be appreciative of that. We're really trying to build here. And if you really are into fly tying and you want to see me do some fly tying, go check out my Instagram, because my Instagram, I post, like I said, almost every other day with reels, and everybody seems to like them on there. I get tons of views, tons of likes on it, and everybody has positive stuff to say, and I really like that. Yeah, and if you want to go check us out over there, I'd be appreciative of that. But until then, good luck out there, guys. Catch some fish.